Today, sir, in this presentation, I will present our product for you to understand why we choose it and the advocacy we want to do for our environment. Transparent. So, in this first slide, we have our product name and also the target customer, the situation, and the problem. So let's move on first on the target customer. So in the target customer, our target customer are primarily pet owners. Pet owners that willing to change their lifestyle sustainably. So the primarily age of these pet owners are mm, 22 and 45 years old who treat their dogs and cats as family members, prioritizing ethical consumption. So we move on to the situation. So think about a situation where you're standing in a pet store aisle, scrolling online, confused and overwhelmed by hundreds of brands. Since you're unsure if these brands are good first, good for your dog and cats, and secondly, if they are sustainable and healthy for our environment. Think about that. And yeah, maybe no, since we made this product to help these pet owners to be knowledgeable. So yeah, so this is the problem. Identifying truly sustainable pet food is difficult and time consuming. Many commercial pet foods contribute to high carbon footprints, use non-recyclable packaging, or source ingredients from unsustainable supply chains, leaving parents feeling guilty or misled. So ito na yun. Since a lot of pet owners want to change their lifestyle and not contribute further to high carbon footprints, so I I mean this is definitely will help them and beneficial for them to choose a more sustainable product for their few pets. So let's now move on to the second slide. So our product is a digital platform that allows pet parents to instantly scan food labels to receive a sustainability and health rate. And that's we called our sustainable score since when you scan the barcode or the QR code of a food brand, uh, pet food brand, you will see the ingredients and how sustainable the brand or the product is. So the environmental impact of this product or this website is reduces the pet's carbon footprint by highlighting eco-friendly brands. Not only the pet itself, but also its owner. So this third one is transparency since it filters out the filler and low quality ingredients that harm pet longevity. And lastly, conveniency. Save hours of research with a 3-second scan. So let's now move on to the last slide. So the AIDA structure, we have attention, interest, desire, and action. So did you know the pet food industry produces millions of tons of CO2 annually? Ganon kagrabe ang impact ng unsustainable food industry sa ating environment. So let's move on in the interest. So most parents want to do better, but lack of data to make the right choice. That's why we have this. Also, the desire. Imagine a world where every bowl deserved contributes to a greener planet and healthier pet. Yeah, so think about that. And lastly, action. Download the Scan for Pets beta today and start your journey towards sustainable pet parenting. And that's what you call action. So let's now move on to the customer concerns and response. So I have um, two questions or concerns of a possible pet owner, and these are the two. So in the first one, is sustainable food more expensive? And our response are: we highlight sustainable options across all price points and often find that high quality, eco friendly foods reduce long term vet costs. And the second one, I am not sure if the data is actually accurate. So our response are: that is exactly why we use eco verified data instead of relying on what a brand claims on their packaging. Our app cross references ingredients and packaging with data from sustainability experts and environmental organization. We do the fact checking so you don't have to. And these are my presentation, sir. Good day.